I think with Akshay Kumar, maybe if I'm right, it started when he did Hera Pheri, and then he started this line of films where he became the first mainstream action hero to only do comedy films. He's the best visionary in this industry. I think the whole idea of promotions was kind of brought by him in a way that he took it to the next level. Yeah. It was so much fun. I love Juhi. I remember every single day on Hame Rahe Pyar Ke that we spent in the makeup rooms. They would, if they were like opposite sexes, I think they should have just gotten married because they get along really well. Atma konachi bhatakli.
You were one of the writers on Go Goa Gone, from what I understand. Would you like to direct at some point of time?
Never say never, man.
Considering that you talk about so many technicalities now.
I love cinema. I love films. I've been doing this since I was 7. I've grown up in and around film sets all the time. My father, like I said, is from the National School of Drama. My grandfather's a playwright. So that's where the little bit of writing kind of came in from. Me and my dad used to actually discuss films. Like, he wanted me to see Rashomon and Bergman films when I was in like 10th, and I was like, I'm not going to watch this. Fiddler on the Roof is the best I will do. I don't understand the cinema, but he wanted me to kind of watch cinema because he knew I love films, and I would be like, I want to watch Coolie Number 1. I really enjoy watching this film. So all of that would happen, but I'm saying I just love the whole process of filmmaking in every department. So yes. If given a chance, but later. Right now, I just want to act.
Yeah, I just asked because you mentioned about the technicalities part. So I just thought that maybe that is something that you'd like to do at some point of time. No, lesser amount of time, both the films so far. Something about the directors, if you can possibly.
I mean, like you already said that I've known them from the time they did their first film. So they are dear friends of mine, and I do hang out with them a lot more. Besides being on set. So yeah, they have a very different sense of humor. They have a different approach of kind of, even when they're scripting a film or they're kind of conceptualizing a scene, and they just make it really entertaining. And I think it's one thing to say that, oh, it's a new genre, Zomcom, and the concept of zombies, but to make a under 2-hour film and to keep the audiences glued and entertained for that matter of time requires a lot more than just a good concept. It requires good storytelling, good direction, the screenplay has to be well. And I think they kind of, and it's a great team. I think, they're like they would, if they were like opposite sexes, I think they should have just gotten married because they get along really well. And what he has minuses of, he's got positives for. So they are like a really good team. And they put together this great story, a great a team of technicians and actors to do this film, and I think they have a very good product on hand.
If you have to ask a question to Amir Khan, what will you ask him?
Like, how do you decide the kind of work that you want to do? Because how are you on the ball all the time, and how are you so right? I think he's the best visionary in this industry. I think the whole idea of promotions was kind of brought by him in a way that he took it to the next level. Yeah. Everything that comes in, he just has the ability to take it to the next level. He just has the correct read on things. And I think he's the smartest person when it comes to even putting the film together. There's a lot of stuff about Amir that, within the industry people know, but outside they don't know. When Amir does a film, he doesn't just do it as an actor. He's like the guy who just is everywhere around that film, and he just takes it to another level. So yeah, I mean, can you just teach us how that happens? There was a time when we had romantic heroes, then there were action heroes. I don't think we had heroes who would just specifically do comedies. We had great character actors like Mahmood Saab and Johnny Lever and all these legendary comedians. But I'm saying we're in a time now where actors are experimenting all different kinds of stuffs, because I think with Akshay Kumar, maybe if I'm right, it started when he did Hera Pheri, and then he started this line of films where he became the first mainstream action hero to only do comedy films, and then people have started. So I don't think actors now kind of restrict themselves by saying that, oh, I'm just an action hero and I'm only going to do action films.
Adil from Ahmedabad, how was your experience working with Varun Dhawan? Hope we can see you both in comedy film.
I had a great time working with him. He's a very entertaining person. He's a very good actor. He's a very hard-working actor, I have to say, and I have had such an amazing experience working with him, and I've always been entertained, man, around him. He's like, I've also said this once, I said he can very easily become your agony aunt, because he's one of those easiest to talk to people, and he's very interested in a lot of stuff. So I would love to work with him again.
आता माझी सटकली.
आत्मा कोणाची भटकली.
Acha, that is really good actually.
Did you interact with Amir of sometime like Hame Rai Pyar Ke and Raja Hindustani you've done with them? And two amazing films.
But like I said, man, I mean, I'm like in awe of him. He's just been so amazing. And I mean, I was 7 when we did Hame Rai Pyar Ke, and he was a superstar then. And he's such a big star even today. And not just the stardom. I'm just saying the kind of the hard work and the work that he has. He's just such an inspiring personality.
Ashu Yadav from Madurai, please tell about your memories of working with Juhi, Karishma and Archana ji.
Wow, it was so much fun. I love Juhi. I remember every single day on Hame Rai Pyar Ke that we spent in the makeup rooms, playing with her, drawing stuff, and she was so much fun to work with. And she was just, I remember this conversation that she had with us when she looked at, so there was Shah Rukh, Ashrafa and me, and she said to Shah Rukh, you'll do something comedy, you'll do something like that. Ashrafa, you'll be somebody. And he looked at me and said, ye to bada hoke actor banega. And you're right, because I did. Karishma was amazing in Raja Hindustani. We spent so much time in a car because we were shooting so many sequences in the car, driving from here and there. So it was Amir, me and Karishma. And the first thing I remember is like, she was so beautiful when I saw her. I was like, wow, this woman is so beautiful, and she was so much fun to like be with. And luckily, you know, I never got treated like a child by any of them, and I really like that, because I used to get very annoyed when somebody would try to treat you like a child and talk to you very differently. They all treated me very like an adult and like an equal.
Yeah, I think
and
that film,
great.
though, you were, as I mentioned in the beginning, it was like you were one of the buddies. The age difference didn't show. You're actually guiding Amir.
You know how much we shot for that film? We started that film wearing these shorts that were up to my knees, and by the time we finished them, they'd come here because I just started growing in height.
Kareena Kapoor, if you have to ask a question to Kareena, what will you ask her?
If she, like, I mean, I know her. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I've asked her everything that I've asked her. So I don't know a question that I want to ask her, but she's just amazing. I love her, and she's so much fun. There is a side to her. I mean, you know, like you say that you see people and then you see people separately. Like, people don't know her till they know her. She's like me. I mean, she's not very. She's shy actually a lot of times. But there is a side to Kareena that's so much fun, and then she's so funny. Like, I don't know of any other actress who's as funny as she is.